Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to fix and solve RAR file not open in Ubuntu. Click Show Application. Type Terminal in search bar. Click Terminal. Type the command 1 from description. Give super user password. Type second command from description. After complete the command, press Enter key to execute. Type third command from description, press Enter key to execute. Extract RAR file successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.